Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. I'm here on deck 8. I want to show you one of my favorite places on any Oasis class ship. Check this out. Yes, here we are. We're in what's called Central Park. Here in Central Park they actually have living trees. These are real plants. These are not fake plants, these are real plants. As you can see, they actually have restaurants here in Central Park. The famous sunglasses of the Harmony of the Seas. Here in Central Park. There's a lot of little places you can hang out. This is one of my favorite spots in Central Park. Right here, this little seat. Most people don't know about it, but now you do. Morning. Up here we have the Rising Tide Bar. It's actually a famous bar that travels here from deck 8 down to deck 5. You even have departure schedules. And there you have it. A nice little walking tour of Central Park on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.